Do you know you can start up a cooking vlog with AI? Yes. So let me teach you how you can start up a cooking vlog like this.
Come cook with me, guys.
AI generated text to video, text to image. This is not your regular cooking vlog. I did not cook, neither did I show my face. I did not use a real kitchen, yet I was able to create a full food vlog with AI. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Let's go.
First thing first, head over to ChatGPT, okay? Once you're on ChatGPT, paste in your prompt, okay? This is the prompt I'm going to be using for the purpose of this video, okay? Give me 3 scenes of a Nigeria caramel skin lady in her 30s. She is cooking in a model kitchen. The first scene of her washing veggies. Second scene of her cutting the veggies, and the third scene of her frying the veggies. Make sure the character of the kitchen and the lady are consistent across all scenes, okay? Here I'm trying to describe how I want the kitchen to look like. Now I'm trying to describe the lady. I said description of the lady, so I put in everything I want the lady to look like, okay? So once that is done, I'm just going to click here to send it, okay? As you can see, this is the prompt. Do well to screenshot it if you want it, or let me know via comment section. Let me send it across to you, okay? So as you can see, ChatGPT is already generating the 3 scenes for us, giving us detailed image prompts that we'll use to generate our image, okay? Now that ChatGPT is done generating the image prompts for the 3 scenes, we are going to be using Google Image FX to generate our images, okay? Let's head over to Google Image FX. If you have not used this platform before, go to Google and type Google Image FX. Click on this very first link and you are going to see yourself in this interface. Just sign up with your Gmail and you are good to go, okay? Click on settings. Once you click on settings, make sure that you are on the best quality so that we can get the best quality images, and also set your aspect ratio, okay? When you click on aspect ratio, choose the platform you are creating for. I'm creating for YouTube blog form video. Just going to be clicking 16 by 9, okay? Once I click on 16 by 9, I'll go back to ChatGPT and go and copy my very first prompt, okay? My first prompt for the first image scene, if that makes sense, okay? So once I copy it, I'll come back to Google Image FX and I'll paste it there, right? So after pasting it, I'm just going to click on this yellow icon and it's going to generate my images for me, okay? Mind you, each prompt you put into Google Image FX is going to give you 4 different kinds of image that you can choose from, okay? The generation actually takes some couple of seconds or minutes depend on your internet connection. And here you have it. It has generated 4 images for me. All I need to do is just for me to check and see the one that I really like, okay? I think I really like this one for the first scene. I'm just going to click here and download it to my device. It's as simple as that. So what you need to do next, for you to go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt. Once you copy the second prompt for the second scene, come back to Google Image FX and paste it here. Once you paste it, click on this yellow icon and it's going to generate another four image for you. Once the image is being generated, scroll through and choose the one that you love, okay? If you did not see the one that you like, what you need to do, just still regenerate. Keep regenerating them until you get to that specific image that you are looking for. So I'm just going to repeat the same process for all these things and we'll head over to the next step.
Look in the air, I'm vibing slow, counting blessings with the lights down low. Mirror talk, I glow and grow. Speak my words and watch it show. Every word I say makes the money stay. Got abundance on replay. No stress, no chase, I learn it comes my way.
As you can see, I'm not generating all my images and they are being downloaded to my device, okay? So the next thing for us to do is for us to turn the static images into video. As for us to do that, let's head over to Alio AI. When you are on Alio AI, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, it's going to open an interface just like this. Click on this place so that you can go and upload your image. Okay, so it's going to take you to your phone gallery. Choose the image you want to turn into video. So after choosing it, bring it here. Once you are here, this place that says we should add prompt, go back to ChatGPT and copy that same prompt you used to generate the image before. Okay, so once you copy it, paste it here. After pasting it here, click on this place that says 25. It means that every image that Alio AI turn into video for you is going to take 25 credit. Okay, so once you click on 25, you see there's already showing one job on query, right? So you can have multiple projects running on this platform. Since this one is already in query, let's go and delete this one. Then click on this plus sign again, upload another image. Click on the image you want to upload. Once you are here, go back to ChatGPT, go and copy the prompt you use to generate that image. After copying the prompt, paste it here. After pasting it, click on this 25 and it's going to show you one job inquiry. That's two. So three videos can be generated at once on this platform. Okay, follow same process so that you can turn your static images into video. Okay, delete this one here, click on this plus sign, go back to your phone gallery and upload the next image. Once you upload the next image, go back to your chat gpt, copy the prompt you use in generating the image, head over back to Alio AI and paste it here. After pasting it, click on this 25 and it's going to be on query. Okay, so as you can see, the three videos are done generating. For you to download them, just click on this icon, click on download, and it will be downloaded to your device. That's how you are going to download all your videos into your device. Okay, now that our videos are being downloaded into our device, the next thing is for us to go to CapCut to go and put everything together. Feel free to use any editing tool that you are comfortable with. Okay, so let's head over to CapCut and put everything together. Launch your CapCut app, click on new project. Once you click on new project, select all the videos we have downloaded from Alio AI. Make sure you select them according to their scene, starting from scene 1 to the last scene. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do once you are here is for you to remove this watermark that Alio AI input in our video. Okay, so for you to do that, just use your two index finger to like drag it, so that when you drag it, the watermark is going to remove. As you can see, there's no watermark again. Okay, so that's how you are going to use your index finger to drag all the videos for the watermark to go. Okay, so once the watermark is gone, the next thing we are going to do is for us to add transition to our video. The reason why we're adding transition is for us to have a seamless flow throughout the video. Okay, just click here. When you click on it, it's going to open an interface like this. Do well to check any of the transition you love. I want to use this one, mix. When I click on it, then I'll click on apply to all. There is going to apply to all the video scenes. Okay, let's check what we've done. You see it, that's how it's going to be. So feel free to choose any transition that you want. Okay, now that we are done with our transition, the next thing we are going to do is for us to add sound to each scene. Like this very scene here, she is washing the veggies. Okay, so we are going to look for sound effect of running tap water. So click on sound and search for running tap water. CapCut is going to give you many options to choose from. Okay, just play each one and listen to it. The one that really sounds good to you, all you need to do just for you to click on this plus button and you click on add and it will be added to your video clip. Okay, the next video clip is her chopping virgins. Okay, just click on sound and search for chopping virgins. CapCut is going to bring some bunch of sound effects that reflect chopping. all you need to do just for you to still listen to any of them, the one that sounds like naturally like she's chopping the virgins, you add it there. Click on this plus button and it will be added to your video. The next video scene is her frying the veggies. Just click on sounds and search for frying, or you can also search for frying of veggies, and CapCut is going to give you a whole lot of options for you to choose from. Do well to listen to them and choose the one that really depicts the scene. Once you've chosen it, just click on this plus sign and it will be added to your video. As you can see, our video is ready. Okay, all you need to do now is just for you to hit on this export button and it will be exported to your device. And that's how you can start up a faceless cooking vlog with AI. No cooking, no camera, just pure creativity. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. Want to turn Bible verses into viral gospel songs that blessing souls and also make you money? Then click on this video